Hello! Hey, Craft Mama picked this up for me at the dollar store. But it's the dollar store that has, things aren't just $1. They can start at $1. So I don't like that dollar store. I go to the other one. But anyways, she thought this would be cool for resin, so we're going to try it out. This is a home formation diamond. It's for ice. But anything for ice you can use for resin. And sometimes it turns out really cool. Oh, look at that! Oops. And we got one of these too. Oh no! Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so we're just going to do up one of these. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, okay. Just make sure it's all secure. And put the resin in here. This is just like my skull mold. It also has 4 and is also for ice. Pour that in. And whoop! Oh, see, it looks like we don't have enough for another whole diamond. So we'll just stick some in this one. Boy, maybe we... No, we don't. Okay, so this will be a half-cut diamond. And the other one will be a full diamond. And this is just clear. We can add glitter and all kinds of stuff to make it super pretty. But just to see the general shape, I usually just cast one clear just to see. And that's all she wrote. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, so we're going to see if this ice mold, this ice diamond mold, can make a resin diamond. And here we go. Okay, well, number one's the texture. I hate it when they've got this texture. I love a clear diamond. But it is pretty, and we can shine it up a bit with some clear coat. This is because it sank back in while it was curing. We could top that off with some more resin, maybe. But overall, I like the diamond shape. It's pretty cool. You could build a ring for it, maybe. I don't know. And then this was the leftover resin. We'll just check that out real quick. And it's just like a big fat resin diamond. Now, another thing we could do is put this back. Or not have taken it out. And put the cap back on and then fill up the rest, because the resin will always stick to itself. Alright. I think that's pretty cool though. I think I'll be using this for something else. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.